Hi everyone, this is Ethany with the Wandering Minstrel Inc. Today, our video is going to be about our box flutes. These guys are super awesome, super fun, and chill to play. It's a whistle design which makes these instruments accessible for everyone to start creating soothing sounds that they can incorporate into their meditation or mindfulness practice, breath work, etc. Alright, so this super cool one right here is zebra wood and leopard wood. It's super beautiful, all 100% handcrafted, just like all of our instruments are, by Steve Olson. Everything that we have available right now is up on our website, pickandstick.com. So after the video, if you don't mind, go check our website out, shop around until you find one that you love. All right, so our box flutes, again, a great meditation tool. It's basically an ocarina, Native American flute vibes that you can take with you, super travel friendly. We put them on a lanyard, so you can put them around your neck. You instantly have musical instrument bling, a nice piece of jewelry to wear. People will stop you and say, hey, what's that? And you say, it's a flute, and then you can demo for them, or not, and just keep on walking. All right, so now that we have it around our neck, it won't drop if we do drop it, but how we're not going to drop it is hold on to it like you would an ice cream sandwich. If you hold on to it like this, the breath is going to escape through those holes. So if you hold it like an ice cream sandwich like so, then you'll be holding onto it securely and you'll be able to make those nice, clean, clear, soothing sounds that we're going to be working on today. All right, so with this extended breath for the parasympathetic nervous system technique that we're going to do, it's simply that. It's just extended breath. You take an inhale, and when you exhale, you're going to be blowing into the flute, and you're going to be using your exhalation is going to be a little bit longer than your inhalation. And the goal is to gradually extend out your exhalation as long as possible, obviously without holding your breath or passing out or anything crazy like that. It's just simply breathing, simply inhaling and extending your breath so that you can jumpstart your parasympathetic nervous system, which is the opposite of the fight or flight nervous system. So this will create an instant calm to your day. All right, so we have our flute. And I'm just starting with that first note, taking a nice inhale, blowing through, playing around until I hear, if it's too loud, it's going to sound like a train whistle. If it's too soft, you'll hear it sounding a little funky. It's okay if we don't get it on the right, the first time. I usually don't get it on the first time. It takes me a while. I always say practice doesn't make perfect. Practice makes progress. And the more that we do this, the more familiar we'll get with the instrument and the easier it will be to hone in to those sounds. And it's okay. We're just being in the moment right now as we are. And I'm exhaling, I'm extending that breath, and then taking a breath when needed. You will feel it. You'll want to take a nice big inhalation and then blow in again. All right, so that first, I was using the first note. Now I'm going to simply raise up from my right hand, the finger that's furthest away from me, raising up that first note, number one, so that now we have our second note, and so forth as we go up and down the scale on our right hand. Each breath again, extending out as long as you can, whatever feels comfortable to you. And there you have it. I could already start to feel my lungs expand on that second breath I took and being able to extend my breath out a little bit more. So this time I'm going to use the full scale. I'll start with my right hand going up towards myself. I'll jump to my left hand, coming towards myself, and then closing those holes back down, all while I'm extending my breath, taking a breath when I need to, when it makes sense. Don't hold your breath, just breathe, just be in this moment. You are creating a safe place for you to be, sound environment, just, this relaxing, calm sensation for this moment in time for you. Don't think about anything else. This is just you and your flute creating this sound environment. visualize just your basic scale going up and down, extending your breath as you play to let the scale guide you, let your breath guide you, and you'll instantly start to feel calm and relaxed. And there's no rush to this. There's no end. As Alan Watts says, when you play music, there's no point of getting to the end of it, because what would there be? We're playing music, not racing to the finish line to get there. So spend time with it so that you can really be in the essence of making a joyful noise, making a calm, soothing environment for your relaxation, meditation, and mindfulness practice. There's no race to get to the end. Just breathe, just extend, enjoy being in that moment, and follow it wherever your heart takes you at that moment. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed our first video, and we'll have more videos to come. If you like what we're doing, please, wherever it pops up here, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, Instagram, wherever you can find us online. Check out our website, pickandstick.com. This flute is available for sale right now on our website. Thanks guys. See you next time.